Hello everyone. So I just wanted to make a quick video of why Caitlyn Jenner is running under a Republican ticket for governor of California. And the reason why is because Caitlyn was always meant to be somewhat of a double agent for the left-hand path. And she was always meant to infiltrate the right-hand path. And to see how they have done this is actually pretty brilliant. And let me break it down. So when Caitlyn was Bruce, he was an Olympic gold medalist. He's a big man's man, which is why when Bruce made the decision to become Caitlyn, it shocked the world and America especially. This happened for a very specific reason. Because now that Bruce is Caitlyn and she has already been, promoted by the left-hand path, now it is her chance to infiltrate the right-hand path because there are still a lot of fans of Bruce Jenner and what he did in America still. Okay, and these people are mostly on the right-hand path side. Now, it's brilliant because she has this fan base, okay, of conservatives already. And now she is taking their side on a very important issue to the conservative community, to the right-hand path community, therefore gaining allies within this community. This was the plan all along. We have predictive programming from South Park, where Caitlyn Jenner is a running mate with the South Park character who represents Donald Trump. This was Donald Trump's purpose as well, part of his purpose. He had a lot of purposes, but part of his purpose was to infiltrate the right-hand path and to bring it more to the left-hand way of thinking. Okay, it's almost, think of it as trying to make these two paths androgynous is kind of what they are trying to do. So by having these characters become allied with the conservatives, they are slowly gaining momentum or gaining territory, I guess, so to speak, in this right-hand path in order to just eventually bring both of these paths to just one path. So hopefully I explained this correctly, that you guys could understand it. I wanted to do this in like 5 minutes or under. But yeah, this is why Caitlyn is running under a Republican ticket, is to infiltrate the right-hand path and to gain more allies in the right-hand path. So we will definitely be exploring and be observing very closely how this further develops in the future on my channel. I'm really excited about this. All right, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.